Hey everybody, my name is Peter Scott Barta and I'm the integrated media producer out here at Denver International Airport. Got a big plane taking off behind me right now. Probably pretty loud. But I do all the photography, videography, and the audio guy. This is an awesome place to work because I get up close and personal with these guys right here. There's nothing like coming up to a stop sign and a big old plane just comes right in front of you. It's so darn cool. And then we also have all the conspiracy theories, of course. You can't forget about those, and that's a whole nother video, but just to give you a gist on that, we have the entrance to the Illuminati headquarters here. We have the underground bunker, the lizard people that live in the tunnels. I can tell you where the entrance is to the Illuminati. I can tell you that one. So once you enter the main terminal, and that is how you get to the entrance to Illuminati. So next time you're at the airport, now you know how to get there. All right, off to my next spot. Nice, cool, brisk morning. De-icing is just on the other side. You can sort of see it right there, but what's really beautiful about it right now is how the sun is hitting the planes and the de-icing and the mountains in the background. So it's like a triple whammy. So let's get some shots off here using a 100 to 500. Looks like we got some more coming over here though too. That American with the sun in the background, backlighting it. Again, still using my 100 to 500, getting that nice reach. I was also out here at night a few days ago. I'll post those too, it's just beautiful. I think it was like 4 in the morning, de-icing out here. Interesting thing just happened. Ops just came up to me. They're like, hey, do you want to come on the runway? They do an inspection, so the runway is actually closed right now. So I'm on 25, one of my favorite runways that flies right over the mountains there, and we have a beautiful morning here. Look at that. That was pretty neat. That was pretty cool. But like I was saying, sometimes I'll use my iPhone and I'll put it on top of the hood and I'll do it in slow motion so they fly right over me. You get that straight up view. And I just shot one the other day and I'll post it on here right now. So now, this is interesting. The pilot, you can't see him, but he's actually waving us by. So this happens sometimes. Thank you. Thanks, dude. So you always got to keep your eyes open, basically. Even on the pilot, the planes, everything around you, everything's going on. A lot going on. If you've ridden a motorcycle or done a lot of, I don't know, biking in a busy city, in case I know you have, your head's always on a swivel, basically. What's going on around you, what planes are coming out, what planes are coming in. I know some place like New York, you're not dealing with planes on the ground, but I guess it's somewhat similar. All right, this one by far has to be one of my favorite spots at night because I can get a place where they come right over you and get some really cool trails for them coming in. So I'm at ISO 400 using 1535, down 1 1/3 stop, F9 at 25 seconds, 2-second delay. Oh yeah, that one's probably gonna be a good one. It shot it right when he came over. You gotta time that 2-second delay. All right, it's a full moon tonight, so I got some really cool photos of the moon right behind the top of the FAA tower, which was super sweet. So I'll post those so you can see them with all the settings as well. All right, we got a tricky scenario. I wanna get a shot of a plane passing in front of the moon. Oh, I think I got it. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go with that. That was fun. It's always tricky, you know, when you want to try to get a shot that's tough. Patience and persistence. Well, thanks so much for hanging with me on the airfield, everybody. I think I'm going to sign off. Hope you enjoy the video and see you next time. Thanks. Bye.